All right, so we did a video a while ago about our macerator setup, and so we have the macerator hose, and this has worked great up to this point with all of the dumping that we've done. Just basically kind of poke the hose down the dump wherever it is and turn the macerator, shoot everything out. It takes just a couple minutes to do that, so we've been really happy with it. This campsite that we're staying at, and I was waiting for a campsite that we would hook up to kind of do this video, has a requirement for an airtight seal to the sewer. And I didn't want to, just open it up and, dump. I kind of wanted to be able to be hooked up, and when our tank level got too high, come out, turn it on, dump it out, and then, be ready to go. So this was a bit of a challenge. So the hose here is a 1-inch hose, I believe, and coming up with a way to attach this was a little bit of a challenge. So I bought this piece and the adapter here that goes into it. This is a kind of standard like macerator type of connection, but it didn't have the right type of hose adapter here. It was like a 3/4 inch pipe connection, and so I had to go to my local hardware store and get a couple of other pieces. And so there's a piece of copper pipe that's threaded. I was able to thread it into a fitting on this side, and then I threaded into my hose here. This comes apart, so this screws in, but also this pulls out. So when I'm assembling it, right, I can thread that in and then basically push that in after I've threaded this into the sewer receptacle. And now everything's connected. All of this is locked down and ready to go. When I'm done with it, I will basically just use the threads on this copper pipe, take this apart, thread it out of my hose, and put my hose back in the piece of pipe that I store it in, and then put all of this, and I'll spray it down with a little bleach water, and then put all of this in a Ziploc bag for next time. But it was a little bit of a challenge to figure out the pieces. So if you do a macerator like this, it's good to, I think, get this type of adapter. Even though you're not going to use it unless you're in a campground like this, it's still a good thing to have. Makes it a little bit more convenient to be able to just kind of hook up the whole time you're in a campsite. And it's been working great. Anytime I need to dump, I just flip it on, shoots everything right down the sewer, and we're all done. So I thought it was kind of a cool little thing. Took a little bit of ingenuity to make it work, but the biggest pieces were pretty easy to find on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, and there you go.